Phemi Matjotina o dira kgoeletso ye ka nako eo moporesidente wa pele wa naga Jacob Zuma a e tlhokomolositše go taelo ya kgorotsheko ya molaotheo ya gore a tswelele pele ga khomišene ya Zondo. Bjale khomišene e kgopela kgorotsheko ya molaotheo gore e ntšhe taelo ya gore o nyatša kgoro le gore a bone molato le go romela kgolegong.
I would like to call upon every member and all South African citizens to take a moment to rededicate ourselves to honor and respect the Constitution passed by this House in December 1996. This year we celebrate a milestone of 25 years of being one nation, with our Constitution as a supreme law of the land.
Ba gotlaganetswe a sotse polelo ya moporesidente ka le reng ga ena moko. Ba bangwe ba re bomenetša ke jona bo dirang gore maano a mmušo a folotše.
There's a growing realization that this president and his government cannot or will not tackle the big issues of the day. Paralyzed by factionalism and power struggles, they're incapable of making even the obvious decisions, like suspending people who are so clearly guilty of corruption.
You are incompetent. You must accept or untwapala. When we were confronted with COVID-19 pandemic, we could not even manufacture the most basic of things like masks and sanitizers. South Africa has spent more than 30 billion purchasing PPEs, and this has benefited foreign companies.
The problem is corruption. I know it, you know it, sir. South Africa knows it.
The question remains, what did you do to prevent corruption of accused number one?
Go lebeletswe gore moporesidente o tla ikarabela go ya mafelelong a yona beke ye.